sign into your account. So I'll use someone's account. I won't use my own, I'll use someone's account. So let's start. I'll open in private mode and go to mail.zoho. I'm opening in private mode because if I should open in the main browser, it will complete, it will not allow me to it will sign into my account automatically. So I'm opening in private mode to start on a fresh page. Okay, so this is Zoho Mail. This is the interface. You come to this corner, top right corner, and click on sign in. Okay, when that opens up, you see a page like this. You know you are on the right track. So let me use this one. Want mobile number authentication where an OTP will send a PIN code will be sent to your phone number while signing in, so that it's actually for security purpose, so that you are sure that you are the only one who has access to your account. So let's say you remind me later, you can choose any of those options if you want. Okay, so loading up. Let's give it a little moment. Okay, it's showing welcome to new okay, yeah, that's it. So you can take a tour to know what it is, but let's close this as your dashboard. It's going to show you all the emails on this part, all the unread emails. It's going to show you there are scripts or invites. It's going to show you your personal task uploaded. It's going to show you bookmarks, personal notes, pending reminders, and so on and so forth. So calendar event, okay, where you're mentioned if you have a chat, all the files you have on the drive. Okay, that's all it's going to show you. But you're concerned about emails for now, so let's go to our email. Click on that to show you hello, this person, welcome to so okay, and so you can just click on this is email, this is docs,